Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. GameStop pulled back yesterday. What's going on? We have a big seller for GameStop now around the 27.52. And of course, we got PSTV did a really good jump, hit our profit taken early in the pre-market. We discussed this early in our live stream and Discord, guys, around the 190. So we already hit the target for this one, guys, early, and now it's pulling back. We got LYT testing the resistance and profit taking because this one was here, the best entry for us that we discussed early as well on our live streaming. Let me just show you what's going on here. Yeah, LYT was great because we anticipated the pullback down. LYT was better on our pre-market watch list, not on our live streaming, because it jumped really early in the pre-market. As you can see here, we discussed the pullback, and of course the profit taking didn't hit around the 1385 until 2 hours ago. So yeah, this one was really great early in our pre-market watch list. After that, we have of course PSTV. Yes, PSTV was good as well. We discussed it late. Yeah, the last one we discussed it here because we saw this triangle, guys. We said there's a breakout is about to happen. Yeah, around let's see. Yeah, around the 156. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Good morning, wherever you are. Welcome back. Good morning, Amis Bond, Salty, Xander, Lizzie, number one every day. Number seven, lucky number seven. Welcome, everybody. So we got LYT, PSTV, and maybe GameStop for reversal. The other stocks, SMCI pulled back a lot, guys, lately. We got Tesla pulled back as well. Palantir. So yesterday it was pullback day for the market. Let's see which one was the top loser yesterday. I think Tesla, Nvidia, and AVGO were on the top loser list. So yeah, we got only two stocks. Remember, guys, LYT, we don't have a lot of shares we could buy in Europe. We have limited amount of shares for LYT because it's penny stock. Salty Aqua. Pre-market, yes, brother. The pre-market is really important, brother, because all the gains and all the plays usually happen in the pre-market. Like you see here, PSTV, it was really great in pre-market, and now look, before the market opened, it pulled back. So yeah, all the activity is or the opportunity for trading is in the pre-market. And of course, you can join us, brother, here. The link, I will just put it for you to check. This is a link to our Patreon, okay? Once you join our Patreon, you can have access to our Discord. And if you can't, let me know. send me an email. I will show you exactly how you can join our Patreon and how you link your Patreon to Discord and how everything works. It's really simple, brother. We do like pre-market watch list, which is just 1 hour after the pre-market open for the main stocks that we have to watch for entry and exit. And of course, after that, the confirmation for the levels is on our live streaming 1 hour after to discuss the stocks trading together for day trade, swing trade, and after that we do swing trade and day trade. After we close the trade here on live streaming, we continue the updates. Last time we did update yesterday, it was for BSTV before this breakout for our hunters because we spotted this opportunity for BSTV, and of course it hit 175 today in the pre-market. So the link in the comment section below, brother, if you like. And of course, if you have other questions, I will put my email down below if you have more questions. Perfect. This is our email. You are welcome, Salty Aqua. Salty Aqua has mean salted water. Is mean you like swimming. Anyway, guys, PSTV, as we said, it was a great hunt from yesterday. We did the chart update yesterday for our hunters, and we confirm it today together here on our watch list video. And of course, the entry was early yesterday, and today the confirmation and breakout happened early on our live streaming, of course, but the entry was before, early on the pre-market once we confirm it here on our watch list video that we did 3 hours ago. And of course, PSTV is the best one with LYT. LYT have a huge struggle right now to break the 1389, which is the current resistant. You are welcome, Salty Aqua. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. Today we got a bit of slow market. A bit of slow market, so be careful, guys. We don't have major or big stock like MLGO or the other stock that jumped before. MLGO is still waiting for the buyer, guys. We have a huge pump, dump, pump, dump, and now it's consolidating sideways. The same for TNON. VVBR could be good as well because it's pump and dumped. You see, guys, a lot of stocks that do this kind of reaction, you have to be quick for entering and exiting, not just waiting for the stock to go up like 1000%, because sometimes we don't have this reaction. Sometimes the stock never pump again and dump instead. So the best situation in or the best strategy is always take your profit and wait for the dip reversal. For this case, you have to exit here, enter here, exit here, enter here. Yeah, it's simple to say because looking back, yeah, it's simple. But if you take profit at least every time if the price jump, you have less chance that you're gonna be back holding the stock. Because for this instance, let me give you an example. For VVBR, if we broke the $3.60, I'm not gonna hold. I'm gonna exit. Why? Because we broke the support. Simple. Make it simple, guys. Trading is simple, but we make it complicated. It's the same with life. We make everything complicated because we don't have rules. We don't have the discipline to follow our rules, you know? We break them. And that's why problem comes. If you don't have rules and discipline, of course, problem will come. For SMCI, after the earnings, before the earnings, everything can go, brother. SMCI right now is follow the reaction of the market and Bitcoin. So it is really hard to predict what's gonna happen after April or after May, 6th of May. So it's almost 1 month and more. It's almost 40 days, man. Everything can goes. Everything go. We might have another COVID. So you can't predict what's gonna happen after one from now, but in a few days we know that SMCI, if it's held over this area, it's gonna reverse. And it would be really good for the earnings if we held over the 31. Consolidate here, even between the 44 and 31, then squeeze up at the earnings. So this is good reaction for SMCI. Is not flashing down toward the 25 and 17 before the earnings. I know it. Who doesn't love the ocean, man? The ocean is really relaxing. But for my opinion, for me, I like Mediterranean Sea than the ocean because the ocean is a bit cold and it's not cozy like Mediterranean Sea. But if you never tried Mediterranean Sea, of course you're gonna love the ocean. But if you tasted something better, it's really hard to go back. It's the same with food. It's the same with everything, with experience. The more you have like things happen to you, and the better you do, the better. It's hard to get satisfied after that because you're gonna compare what you have before, what you have right now, and this is a recipe for disaster, I think. By comparing things is not good. So we got Tesla 5% down. Still holding the 253, so it's not bad for Tesla as well. Palantir, yeah, I'm watching the support right now for Palantir for today. If we held, would be a great reversal. We got this level around the 85.69. We might test it today. GameStop guys broke the flag. Look at that. I was watching this with our hunters later few hours ago, and we discussed this breakout on our live streaming. We said if we broke it down, we're gonna go down, of course. So we broke it down right now. It's gonna test the 15, guys. The 15 is really critical zone for GameStop to hold because if we didn't, we might have another flush. Yesterday we have 10% or 11% flush after the market close because we got some news regarding GameStop thinking about investing in Bitcoin. Mulan is flying. Come on, man. Come on. This is not flying. This is just dead cat bounce. I don't know if you know this, guys. Dead cat bounce. It is once the stock going up and pull back really fast. And the name of that cat bounce is kind of the cat is already dead, but the reflex of the muscle is once the cat is dead, it's moving. So this one is technically dead, but is bouncing because we have muscle reflex. Mulan, I don't consider it as a good play right now. Yeah, this one, you guys, is preparing for something. LYT is preparing for something big. I'm gonna update here the level. Yeah, we got an interesting resistance, guys, for this one. LYT. As a reminder, LYT guys was really good play early here with PSTV, as you can see here. It was a really good play. PSTV, of course, was from yesterday. It already hit our target of profit, and the other stocks that we discussed was LYT. Yes, LYT was on our pre-market watch list, of course. Yes, here. As you can see, guys, LYT was breaking the support, and we said the 9, it is the current support. So LYT was on our watch list video for today, and we suggest to take profit around the 13.19, and the entry was here, guys. We suggest the entry just around the 9 here. The price was really up because it broke the resistance, so we suggest for a pullback reversal entry, and this is what happened. We did almost 40% reversal. Let me just show you. From the 9 until the 13, yeah, almost 40% reversal, man. Yeah, let me just go back here once. Yeah, LYT. Yeah, it was really good here. Yeah, so LYT, it was up, and we suggest for pullback, yes, around this level. Yeah, LYT was really great because we saw the pullback around the 9 cents. It was around the 12 cents early, and now it is around the 13 cents. MLGO had news. Yes, is pulling, pushing back up a little bit. We have the summer, guys. The summer is coming on. We got a bit of hotness coming up to France. Finally, we have a bit of hotness. Yeah, it's really hot today. Almost 25 degrees, finally. Summer came early. LYT, guys, looking great at the moment for a breakout. PSTV still holding. I don't like this huge pullback, guys, for PSTV. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. So we have a big buyer, and then they took their money and run. But still holding the ascending channel here, so it's not completely bad. We don't have many stocks, guys, for today. Not many. The only one that look alright is LYT. Mitch. George, what's mean buzz? Everybody saying buzz. Good morning from Miami. Good morning, George. Guys, what does mean buzz? I don't know what this mean, Buzz. It is a haircut or I don't know what this mean, Buzz. Well, Serge, we have a lot of reason for why the market going down. Law and order. Oh, Buzz has been cut. You are the first person who tell me to cut my hair. Either you're you're bold or you hate me that much. If I cut my hair, I will not call myself Jesus anymore. If I cut my hair, I'm gonna donate it to charity. I think my hair have a healing power. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it and give it to the charity. Okay, so as we said, we have many reasons regarding the market why it's going down, guys. I'm gonna show you one thing for the SPY, and this will give us a clear picture why we're going down. First of all, you see what's going on in the market, guys. The market is overextended here, guys. The market is overextended, and what we said before, we said the market is correcting. This is a correction, here a correction, here we don't have any correction. Look at that. If you see, since 2023 in October until 2025, we're still an all-time high, man. This little pullback is nothing, man. This is a bearish market over there here on 2001 and COVID. Yes, a huge pullback from the 400 and the 350. But here we didn't have any pullback, guys. We went until the 600. And why are we talking about this buy? Because this buy, it is the parameter or the thing that we could check for the market health. And you see, now we started to pull back. We didn't even pull back around the 500. So what you talking about? Don't tell me that the market is red for 9 weeks, man. There's nothing. This is nothing, man. Still, we didn't test the 500, which is the level that we should test for a correction. Hopefully this is answer your question, man. So yeah, we're not even near a correction. We don't even a pullback. Law and order. I'm not afraid, man. I already did that. I already cut my hair off. And to be honest with you, brother, I look like you know the head of aliens. Like I have like a really weird shaped head. I will be like an alien. I did that back in my home country, and I cut my hair. I went back home, and my family shut the door on my face. They were screaming. They saw my face and they didn't know me, man. Imagine. So yeah, not anymore. I'm gonna be buried with my hair. Yeah, well, the market is, we have a little fear, but this fear is, guys, is just from day traders and not from institution traders, man. This pullback is not the real fear. If we see a real fear, guys, this might have to go toward the 500. This is the real fear, or below the 500. But now we just have a little turbulence. It's like going in an airplane and have little turbulence, you know. if you never traveled before or you never took airplane before, you think that the airplane will crash. And if you are the pilot or professional air marines or whatever, the guy who have flown the F-16 or the fastest, the military airplane, you say, come on, this is just a little turbulence. So yeah, it's the same with the market right now. Law and order. Ah, okay, you be afraid. Okay, interesting. Exactly. Exactly. Terry March, good morning from Hawaii. Oh man, this is on my list, man. I have to go to Hawaii, man. It's like my favorite trip that I did before. It was in Madeira. It is an island, Portuguese island near Africa, near the Caribbean. No, not the Caribbean, but yeah, near the African Sea. This is by far my favorite trip because it's an island. You know, you have the best hiking place and mountains. So yeah, Hawaii should be on my on my trajectory if we go on South America or North America. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We have a nice action today, guys. We have a nice action. LYT, guys, doing pretty fantastic at the moment. We have the 1390 as a breakout, and PSTV the same, have a really interesting level to break. Guys, those two stocks were really good early in the pre-market. So if you're just watching right now, you already missed the fun because we already discussed this early yesterday for PSTV. For a breakout on the 156, and of course we already hit the profit 175. And the other trade that we did for today, it was on our live streaming for LYT and even watch list for today. Those two stocks were 2 hours early, better entry. Right now it is kind of not completely good. If we broke, yes, it could be another opportunity for entry, but the best entry was early on our Discord. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon for early access. In the meantime, let us do our disclaimer because the market is about to open in any second. Okay, the disclaimer before we start our live streaming. So we have a few minutes. Remember, guys, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do you do this before you put your money on the line? Of course. Today is Thursday, so let's us have a fun and make some money. And of course, let me know about what you think about the market. Are we gonna have a green market or red market for today? Let us get right to it. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Let's get right to it. LYT is about to break the 39.90 right now. We got PSTV, guys. We have to hold the current support. GameStop. We got GameStop, guys, reversing from the 25. Yesterday we have unusual selling pressure because of the news of Bitcoin, and GameStop want to invest in Bitcoin. Investor doesn't like this kind of news. Anyway, so LYT and PSTV. LYT is much interesting. However, if you live in Europe, guys, this one have one thing: you can't buy more than 25 euros, okay? Because it's penny stock and we have a lot of regulation buying penny stock here in Europe. Yes, I know it's boring, I know. That's why if you live in the United States, you have a lot of opportunity for catching those opportunity or those unicorn. In Europe, we don't have this kind of we have a lot of limitation. Anyway, so LYT have a resistance. Right now we don't have a clear breakout from the 14 cents. Guys, 14 cents is the current resistance right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. LYT, in your opinion, is too late? Yeah, kind of too late. The best entry was early, guys, in the pre-market before our live streaming here. We discussed it early on our Discord. Around the 9 cents, the best entry was here. We jumped almost 40%. 40% in few minutes, guys. So yeah, LYT was better in the pre-market. But now it is too risky because we might get shorted around the 14 cents. And that's why we didn't break right now. But it's still good because we don't have a flush down. PSTV looking great as well because it's still holding the ascending channel. DATS, DMN. Okay, guys, today we have a little slow market. We don't have active market, for my opinion. From my humble opinion, we don't have active market like before with MLGO. VVBR, oh man, is moving. VVBR is moving. I'm gonna put it down. Okay, I'm gonna keep those. Let us check the market as a whole. SMCI is still going down, but it's still holding the ascending channel. Tesla is a bit in green. Palantir, AMD. As we said, guys, we might have a reversal because especially Palantir is testing an interesting support right now over this level, over the ascending channel. So it's not completely bad. So be careful. Palantir looking juicy if we held the ascending channel for today. Green time. Yeah, so guys, SMCI and Palantir, nothing much happening right now. Let us see what's going on here. PSTV is still holding the gain here. Yeah, we have a little slow market. Let's see if we got LYT. Yes, LYT is still active, guys. Not bad here. It's still holding. We don't have like a big jump yet. So we expect volatility in a few minutes. As long as we hold the 9, guys, as long as we hold over the 9 cent here, it would be perfect for LYT to go toward the 1865. So it's not over yet. But the best entry, of course, was early 2 hours ago. We discussed it early on our Discord here, guys, LYT. As you can see here, around 11:23 European time. So far so good for LYT. PSTV, yes, it is moving because we're still holding the white line, guys. The white line, it is the current support here. GameStop started to reverse. We broke this flag down, but we're still holding the 25. VVBR, yes, it's about to break the 550. Guys, VVBR was one of the top gainers since last Friday. So it's been a week. This stock moved from $1 until the $5. Look at this. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Not dump, but pull back. Because if it dumped, it's me going down like this. But this one is stairway to heaven. Look at that. From $1 to $5. So this one, it might go toward the $10, guys. Or around the $9. If we broke the 550. So that's why I bought it here. LYT is breaking, guys. Doing great here. The volume is crazy on LYT, guys. 300 million. Madness. So yeah, we only have one stock for today, which is LYT and PSTV, of course. Those the only 2 stocks for today. %135%, 137%. So if we would go toward the 18 or 25, we might have like 200%. This week we have almost 2 or 3 stocks did 400%. So this week, guys, we have unusual activity for the market. $139. So yeah, this one is going, guys, toward the 1865, and we have the 25 cents. So if we went there, guys, we might have, wow, another almost 60%. So watch out. Right now we got a breakout, but if we want to confirm this breakout, let me just show you what we should hold here. The 12 cents, this is could be our support that we should hold right now. Target and resistance, it is around the 1865. Yes, 1865 should be our target to hold for LYT. Guys, LYT and PSTV is still number one to watch out for today. Yeah, PSTV lost momentum a bit, but LYT is still on, guys. It's still on. Don't forget to hit blast the like button and the way in, guys. Don't forget. Amazon, what about Amazon, man? Amazon is still on the all-time high, guys. The Amazon is let's see. Yeah, it pulled back from the 400s. Yeah, it's still strong, Amazon, after the good earnings. Yeah, we got the 191 to hold. 191, yes, as a support at the moment. LYT, guys, is the only one that's still looking good for today. The only one. We got GTEC is pulling back, so I don't like it that much. We have VVBR is pulling back. GameStop is pulling back. So yeah, the only one that looks strong, LYT, guys. We have a target for it around the 1865. TNON is back. Are you kidding me? Yeah, TNON is back. Look at that. LYT looking great, guys. I'm gonna check TNON. Yes, it's kind of back here. Okay, so we got TNON, could be really good right now, guys. Yeah, so we have 3 stocks right now looking great. TNON could be really good right now. Thank you, man. Shout out to my brother K2 Move. I think, yeah. Shout out, brother. Thank you for letting me know about this one. So TNON is about to break here, the $3.19. And yeah, so we only have LYT and TNON. LYT is going toward the 1865. Yes, 1865 should be the target right now for LYT, guys. LYT, it is the only one that is moving toward the target. Yeah, LYT looking fantastic at the moment. 160%. It's going toward the 18. TNON, guys, looking good. I think we might have a haltation at our hand right now. Okay, so we got SCNI got halted. VVBR got halted as well. Let me just check this one very quick. SCNI got halted down, so it's game over. LYT, guys, make sure to take profit right now. TNON, guys, got shorted right around our resistance here, the $3.20. Yeah, $3.20. And if we jumped, we might have at least the $3.76, and after that we might have the 440. Yes, so TNON, guys, looking great right now. LYT, make sure to take your profit, guys, on this one, because we expect a pullback at any time. So I feel a bit FOMO, guys. You know why? Because LYT, we already traded here on our live streaming, and of course we have a good entry around the 12. But look, we up 30%, but we have just 6 euros because the limit to buy is just 200 shares. So I feel a bit frustrated because 30% is really good gains on this stock, but we don't have opportunity to buy it because we have a limitation here. Anyway, it was good for our hunter to trade this one, LYT. As we said, the entry was perfect, just around the or over the 10 cent. And now, guys, make sure to exit around the 18 or below the 18 because 30% is really good profit for a few minutes. Guys, hit the like on the way in. Don't forget. Let's hit the 50 likes for today. GameStop gap fill. Yes. Oh god. Yeah, it's pulling back, guys. Not good at all here. Yeah, not good. To be honest with you guys, is not good. This is a weakness, big weakness for GameStop to pull back around the 24.70. So yeah, the main ones are PSTV, TNON, and LYT. GTEC, yes, it might pull back. The chance for a reversal right now is high if we held, of course, over the $2. Otherwise, I will wait for the dip. But GameStop, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, LYT, time for a little pullback, guys, because the jump from here to there, yeah, 20% is a lot. But the top target to hit, it is around 1865. How everybody doing? MLGO is cooking. Oh man, don't say cooking, I'm hungry, man. Never say this word in front of me. MLGO is cooking. Let's see. Yes, it's cooking. Exactly. MLGO is cooking something delicious, guys. And of course, everybody talking about MLGO. If you late to the party, remember MLGO, guys. MLGO did 100% in after reversal here in just 1 hour, and 500% back in last Monday. So this week already did 500%. So everybody looking for a chance to take a slice from this delicious cake, which called MLGO. So MLGO is moving, guys. I'm gonna put it on the main list here. Yeah, we have the 1480, guys, as a resistant right now. 1480 as a resistant to watch out for MLGO. If we broke this level, is mean hallelujah. Is me. We're gonna go really high for today. Guys, let me know if the is okay if I'm not using the sound isolation, because I'm using right now the mic without voice isolation, so you can hear the surrounded voice, or I make voice isolation. So let me know. Right now I just changed it to voice isolation because I'm outdoors, so I have a bit of noise beside me. Yeah, MLGO can go. Yes, exactly. And YT is still pulling back, guys. Let us double check if we got any stock got halted again. Yeah, TDTH, TDTH, and we got WHLR. Anyway, so we got two. Yeah, we got two here. Wow. Yeah, this one is halted down, so. And this one I think is offering, guys, and split. Yes, 1 2 reverse split 1 2 5. So I'm gonna pass. Yeah, I don't like to trade stock that gets reverse split after or before maybe, but during it's really complicated. Okay, we got question. Eat Rice ask about Tesla. I will check Tesla for you right now. Okay, so for Tesla, what's going on with Tesla? Tesla's still looking great as long as we hold the 253 here, the gap that we did early. So let's see. Yeah, so Tesla looking great as long as we hold the 249. So this is the current support, brother. We have the best bottom, it is here. We already discussed it together, I think. And the second support is here. The bottom is around the 188. But the resistance, it is around the 309. And profit taken, of course. And the other one, 362. I will send you the chart, brother, here. So Tesla, yes, is still consolidating, brother, if you can hear me. It's still consolidating right now. But resistance already discussed it around the 309. Support that we should hold to confirm this reversal and bullish reversal for Tesla is holding over the 250 or 249.80. So this is for Tesla. LYT is still pulling back here a bit. TNON, yes, TNON, guys, is looking great right now for another breakout. Yes, testing this level. It could be really good, guys, because look at that. It's been consolidating here for a while, and now we might have our breakout here. Yeah, it looked fantastic. With PSTV. Yeah, GTEC, I'm gonna take it from the list. MLG, I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those stocks. Really looking pretty good now. Yeah, TNON is really good right now, guys. Yeah, we still have the $3.30 to break, but it broke first here. This is the first level that it broke, which is this channel. Really important. But now we have the $3.30 to hold over to confirm the breakout and go toward the 370. We could update the support if we have a pullback in any case. Yeah, around the $2.56. So this is the current support if we pull back right now. You are welcome, my brother. Yeah, TNON is pulling back, guys. MLGO, everything is possible, man, except flying, of course, without considering the gravity side. So this is the thing that we always say, everything is possible. Everything possible, but not against gravity, okay? Or against science. Don't try to say I'm strong and I can lift like 10 tons of whatever. It's impossible. Scientifically impossible. Yeah, we got a warm up for MLGO, guys. A huge warm up, 25% from the bottom, the 1070. But again, we lost a lot of energy here, so we might get shorted around the 1480. I don't like this kind of jump, man. It's like quick, fast, but it's still looking good. MLGO is unpredictable, guys. And of course, already did this kind of jump before. So it's not surprising to see MLGO jump like this. LYT is still holding the 12th. DRMA, what's going on with this one, man? I don't like it, man. I don't like it. It gapped after the earnings, so yeah, I don't like it that much. So what's going on with the market, man? SMCI is still pulling back, man. Still pulling back, and the volume is really light on SMCI for today, just 8 million. This is crazy. Tesla is the only one is green, man, with Uber and Netflix. So those stocks show us that they are strong, man. Uber strong. It's a little green, but it's okay. Netflix the same, and of course Tesla. So this is good reaction that we have almost 2% in gain for Tesla, despite the redness and blood for the market. So this shows us that Tesla hit a discount price. John, yeah, I agree with you, man. I agree with you. TNON is holding. Yeah, TNON is still holding, brother. Yes, it's really good. It's pulling back, as we said, around the resistance. So this is normal. We have a lot of short open for TNON lately. It's been pulling back a lot since Tuesday, so few days. So this is normal. We have a lot of bag holders for TNON. That's why we don't have a straight jump up. You are welcome. LYT is moving. The top volume gainer, guys, for today, 500 or half a billion worth of volume. LYT, guys, the top volume gainer and the top gainer. The only stock that did the really great today. And of course, we did the great with it as well because we discussed it early on our live streaming, guys. Before this live streaming, guys, we always do early live streaming. Why? Because always the opportunity for better entry is early before even the market open. So we discussed LYT before this breakout once the price was around the 9 cents, and right now it is hovering around the 15 cent, guys. So you see, always opportunity early in the pre-market where we discussed always on Discord and Patreon. We got a question. Baba is moving. Let's check Baba for my brother. Uh, Baba. For Baba brother, yeah, still moving, but yeah, a good one, a good one. So this is good that you tell me about Baba because Baba is green, as we said, Tesla, Baba. The stocks that are green today are really strong. However, many Chinese company doing better than American company lately, but not all of them. Like for Neo, it did really bad. Yeah, it's still down, guys. 5%. Oh man, broke the support right now. So yeah, for Neo, Chinese, but is really not good fundamentally and technically. For Baba, is different story, strong, and it's still holding over the 120. As we discussed before, Eat Rice, this one is really good, man. Really good. If we held the 120.40, would be great for jump over the 150, 158. So technically, it's still looking great. And here we consolidate after the good earnings back the around February. We have really good earnings, as you can see here. We have a nice jump for it. Now it's consolidating over the 120. For the rest of the months, if we're still consolidating here, eventually we're gonna break the 148 and go up. So let us go back here. Yeah, LYT still looking interesting. TNON still pulling back, PSTV pulling up, MLGO. So those the four that I'm gonna watch closely for today, and I'm gonna update you guys about GameStop and other stocks because some of them broke the support. So I'm gonna do a major update later on our Discord, everybody, and Patreon. So tune in later on, guys, because the market is not finished yet. We're gonna do a major update for you. And of course, the hunt will continue for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, of course, will be almost the end of this month. The end of the month will be the next Monday, but technically this is the last week. So let us finish it strong for tomorrow. And of course, come early, guys, for tomorrow to discuss the market together and hunt together for the market. And of course, hit the like button and the way in. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. And see you back by tomorrow at the same time, guys. 30 minutes before the market open, and of course 2 hours before the market open, 2 hours and a half on our Discord and Bitcoin. Let's check a car if it started to reverse. Oh brother, yeah, it's jumping. Yeah, because yeah, first of all, again, the technical is not my cup of tea, but I'm gonna check it later. Anyway, guys, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you all back on our hunt for tomorrow on Friday. Great hunt, everybody who hunted with us, LYT and PSTV. Those are the two stocks that did really good today. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all back by tomorrow.